It's Miss Faith. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put together the craft project that you got in the mail. So you guys all should have gotten one of these in your letters this week, and we are going to put this together to make a paper airplane dragon. It's going to be pretty cool. So the first step to make this paper airplane dragon is to color in your dragon and the dragon's wings. So I've already done that, and then I'm just going to show you how to cut out your dragon and fold it and glue it so that it turns from a flat dragon to a paper airplane. So all you'll need after you color in your dragon are some scissors and some glue, and that's it. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut along the thick black line. I'm going to cut out my dragon's body and the wing. I'm not going to cut on any of these dotted lines. I'm just going to cut around. Oops. So I'm going to start with the body of the dragon. And you see I'm not cutting up here. You don't want to cut on any of the dotted lines because that's where we're going to fold it. I'm just going to cut all the way around, and as you can see, I made my dragon a green dragon. But the cool thing about dragons is that a dragon can be whatever color that you want it to be. It could even be a bunch of different colors. So you guys can color in your dragon however you want. So that's all you have to do for the dragon body. Just cut around on the thick black lines. And then you're just going to do the same thing for the wings. Just cut around, not on the dotted lines. Just the black lines. All right, so that's what the wings should look like when you're done. So the next step is to fold the body of the dragon. So the first thing we're going to do is fold along this line in the middle. We're going to put the dragon flat on the table so that the side that we colored is facing up. And we're going to fold the dragon in half. See, so that we're folding on this line. And we're going to make sure that when we fold the dragon, we're folding the side that we colored in the middle. Just like that. So the side that we colored is on the inside. Now, we can open the dragon back up. And do you see these other lines here. We already folded on this line in the middle, but we had these 2 lines on each side. We're going to fold on those lines the opposite way. So we folded the dragon first like this. We're going to bring this side down until we get to that line and then press. Now that was kind of tricky, so I'm going to do it again on the other side, and you can watch and see what I do. I'm holding the dragon facing this way so that you guys can see what I'm doing, but it's easier to do it if you hold it facing you. Okay, so hold it facing you. Put the dragon flat. Bring the dragon up until you see that line, and then fold down. And now I've done that on both sides. See? And now my dragon should look like this. So as you can see, it already looks a little bit like a paper airplane. Next, as you can see, this little square says glue in it. So I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to put some glue in there. But I also learned doing this craft that it's kind of helpful to put glue down the whole thing. So in between here, that's where I'm going to put my glue. And then I'm just going to pop it right back like this. Now the body of the dragon is all done. All we have to do now is glue on the wings. And the wings are a bit easier than the body of the dragon. That was the hardest part. So for the wings, all we have to do is fold on these lines. Not on this line in the middle. We're going to fold on these lines. So on each of those lines, we're just going to fold up. Going to fold up right there. And then we're going to fold up right there. So your wings look like this. And then you're just going to put some glue right there. And you're going to stick it right on top. See this box here that says glue? You're going to stick your wings right in that box. So I'm going to put the glue on my wings because that's a bit easier than trying to put the glue here since my dragon's all folded. So I'm going to put the glue right there. And then the part of my wings that's curved, I'm going to have facing the back of my dragon. And I'm just going to stick this on right here. And now my dragon is all done. His wings stick up a little bit. And he's got a little handle here. So you can hold that and throw your dragon. And hopefully he'll fly pretty well. So I hope you guys are all able to put together your dragons and color them some really cool colors. If you guys have not gotten a dragon in the mail and you want to get a dragon in the mail, you can just have your parents email me and I will send you a dragon. I think you all should have gotten your dragons, but just in case, if you're not on the mailing list, all you have to do is ask your mom or dad to email me, and I will mail you a dragon. I hope you guys are having a good week. Next week, I'm going to be mailing you a different craft, and we're going to be putting it together right here in a YouTube video. Bye, guys.